Welcome to Zeal. During this video, we're going to show you the integration that Zeal has with Salesforce. The objective of the Zeal Salesforce integration is to simplify all of the complexity in contract management, specifically drafting contracts and sending those contracts out to counterparties. By using Salesforce, we can make contract drafting and contract generation available to business development and operations users, just by answering a few questions through an intake form. During this demonstration, we will show you how the flow works between these two powerful applications. Let's begin on the Zeal dashboard. A couple of things to note here. This is an inbox preview page. Here, new messages will be present as they come into the application. Down below are the recent documents that my team is working on. As an example, documents generated by the business development executives will appear here when approved. As a business development exec, I log into my Salesforce CRM, and here I can see that I'm viewing the account Acme Staffing Company. Under Acme Staffing Company, I can see that the customer has one contact. I can also see that there's an opportunity listed. The details are filled out for this customer. And here on the right side of the tabs, I can see my contract generation function from Zeal. When I click on this link, it takes me to an intake form. You'll notice that some of the information has been imported over from the Salesforce record and populated into the form. For example, it knows who I am. It knows who the primary contact is, which we can see here. And as this changes, or if there are numerous contacts, those contacts become available in this drop-down menu. As a business development executive, all I have to do to generate a contract is simply answer the keyword questions that I have listed ahead of me. In this list, I have some predetermined values. These values help to save time when creating a new request. I've chosen to receive notifications for this contract request, which helps limit my correspondence with the legal ops team. And very simply, I click Submit. Here in my inbox, I can see that two things have happened. One, there was an intake form request. So I, as the business development executive, receive a confirmation that my contract request has been submitted. But in this demonstration, I'm also the administrator. I can see the new request has been submitted, and it's asking for me to approve this request. So now I'm going to transfer to the Zeal administrator, or the legal ops team member. In my Zeal account, as an administrator or a legal ops team member, I see I have a notification. A few minutes ago, there was a new intake form requested. I can see it's with John Deere. I can see it's with the Acme Staffing Company, and I can see who it's being sent to. And that is all consistent with the information that I have about this contact. So I can see a business development executive submitted a contract for my review. So as I approve this, I can check in my inbox. I can see here that the contract has just been created. It's given a general name, a timestamp, and a unique ID. Once I click into this, the contract from the intake form within Salesforce has been generated. The values that were captured or submitted are here alongside the contract. The external party who is meant to receive this is here. I can see that during the audit trail, the first step was that this document had been created by an intake form by me. It cites the template that was used. And now I'm going to generate this document and send it to the counterparty. I'm going to give the email a subject line. I'm going to send it to the signing authority, and I'm going to send this document. So now the document's been routed for e-signature. If I come down to my recent documents on my dashboard, I can see this document has just been sent. As I view the status of this document, I can see under the audit trail the last step that was taken against it. And this is a very high-level view of how the intake forms work within Zeal. Now, this information that we're pulling from the data here is universally accepted across intake forms. So, for example, if I wanted to use an NDA, the NDA also has the pre-populated information, and the keyword entries have changed so that the business development executive can submit a new document without navigating away from this page. Thanks for watching.